Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering and connecting the Chromecast so it's discoverable. Once done, make sure your phone and the Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi band. This lets discovery and media transfer happen fast and reliably. Next, open the TV Cast app and accept prompts for local network and media permissions so the app can find devices and stream files. You're already past setup and ready to select a device. Proceed now to pick the Chromecast shown in the app's device list. Once you've selected the Chromecast, confirm any pairing code visible on the TV so the app and device trust each other. Then choose whether you're casting a local video, a browser tab, or a stream URL. This matters because local files avoid buffering while tab casting mirrors everything. Make sure to set quality or resolution options to match your network and TV. This prevents stuttering. Use the app's play, seek, subtitles, and volume controls to refine playback. These controls talk directly to the Chromecast for smooth. To finish, stop casting from the TV Cast app or press the Chromecast home icon so the receiver returns to idle and your phone frees the stream. If things go wrong, first reboot the router, phone, or Chromecast. This clears network hiccups. Make sure the app has network permissions and both devices share the same Wi-Fi band. Switching bands can break discovery. If playback is unstable, use the Chromecast's supplied power adapter instead of TV USB. That extra power often resolves performance and buffering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.